Hi, this is a short introduction into the Elementor page builder system. So to edit the page that has been created in Elementor, you find the page on your list of pages in WordPress. Here we are with an example page. Roll your mouse over the title and you want to click Edit with Elementor. So the Elementor system then loads, and what you're seeing on the main part of the page is basically the live version of the web page. And as I scroll my mouse over, you can see that various blue and grey controls and boxes and tabs appear, and those will allow you to edit. On the left-hand side, we have a bar with a series of what Elementor calls widgets. These are blocks of different types that you can drag in and add to the page, and depending on what the name of the widget kind of dictates what it does. So but this left hand panel then becomes the editing window if you're going to edit something that's already on the page. So let me demonstrate that. Let's find this block here is a plain text block, so I'm just going to click anywhere in the box. You can also click the edit icon in the top right hand corner. That's useful for some types of blocks, particularly things like videos and so on, whereas if you click in the block itself, it'll start to play it. So click on the icon in the top right hand corner, and you can see on the left hand side here now it's turned into an editing window. You can make that area bigger by dragging it, and you can also make the text box there larger if you need more space to work. So some simple controls on this type of block for formatting, but you're basically just typing in the box there, and then when you finish making any changes that you want to the page, you need to click the green update button at the bottom. So that's a text block. We have some other types of blocks here. This looks like a title block. Let's click it. Yeah, it's called a heading. A much simpler block, just typing text in the box there, no formatting controls. Formatting controls are set outside the box here, so you've got various alignment options here for a heading, different sizes of heading. Every single block also has a style tab here, which you can click into, and there's various things you can do with color and so on. But you'll mainly want to be working in the content tab. This one is an image block, so if I click on this actually appears to be a background image, so it's possibly not a good example. It's not a terribly good example. I'm going to drag a new image block in so you can see how that works. So let's just drag a new image block in from the bar there. I'm going to put it under my title there, and you can see it gives a sort of dummy image picture. To edit an image block, you click on the image in the editing bar, and that brings up the media library. The media library is all the images already uploaded to the website, but you've also got the ability to upload new files. And then this tab, Envato Elements, links to our stock photography library, where you can search for stock photographs and insert them directly into the website. But I'm just going to choose one of these images from the media library, and you can see there it's changed. Again, there's some various options. You can add a link to images and so on. So that's very much the principle of editing. Depending on what the block is, you'll see different options over on the left. Now you can also right click anywhere on this on the block or on the icon in the top right hand corner, and that brings up some other options. You can duplicate an item, which will create an exact copy of it right below the existing one, which you can then edit and drag into place. You can copy, which just copies it to the clipboard, and then you can go off and paste it somewhere else, or you can delete it. You've got sections here that have a tab at the top, and those tabs also operate in the same way. You can duplicate and so on. There's actually an X there to delete as well. Now, I briefly mentioned background images. Occasionally for a section or a column you'll get a background image, as we saw here, and I clicked the top left hand icon there which says edit column, and then I went to the style tab to find my image, and then it works in exactly the same way. You might also find that a section has a background image. It doesn't in this case, but again, you would click the tab, go to style, and that's where you'd find it. So I hope you found that useful. Any questions, just email support@thewebguys.co.uk, and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.